on the IEP and 504 for the special need kids, especially the ADHD kids, to concentrate, to make them concentrate or make them how to relax their minds and to participate in the every activity. This session will help me a lot how to deal with the ADHD kids and how to manage with the schools which are naming as an inclusive schools but who are not following the rules. This is as a parent and as a future special educator, I came to know how to handle all these situations with your clear explanation about the ADHD kids, whatever it may be. I'm very glad to attend this workshop. Actually, it helped me a lot. What's going on in the kids' mind, I came to know with your live example to write the what you explained to write with the music sound. With that, I came to know how the kids' mind in that situation, not following what I am saying, right. I am saying in a clear manner why you are not following my instructions. In this way, I am forcing the kids. Now I came to know this is the thing which is disturbing in their mind. They are not able to concentrate. So it helps me to in a parenting tip not to compels them. So it is a live example and it is very helpful for me in my personal life. So I am very happy for attending this session. Actually, I am down with some fever also. So with that also, I attended the class today, but I am happy.